Hi guys, happy April Fool's Day. Thank God March is over. And we're going to go into a better month, hopefully. We got 2 more weeks in lockdown. And of course, it's going to go further than that. But they say by the end of the next 2 weeks, we should be at our peak. So let's pray for that. And of course, my prayers are in New York. Oh, are they having a bad time? My heart is breaking for them. But I had a video today and I uploaded it on YouTube, and apparently there's a corrupted part of it. And this happens, pretty often. I mean, it happens. I'm going to just re edit some things where I think I know where the problem is because it was having a little bit of problems in edit. And I thought it was just a computer glitch on my side, but it's an editing thing. So I'm gonna re-edit it like later on today. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm tired. I've been working on this all night trying to figure it out. So I just didn't want you guys to think, oh, something happened. I missed a day, and you didn't hear from me. Everybody here is healthy, thank God. We're bored, getting on each other's nerves. We did have some news today that was not great. My daughter's fiance's grandmother is in a nursing home here, and the nursing home came down with corona. I said, that's pretty dangerous, and they can't go to see her. The place is on quarantine, and nobody's allowed in. So I believe it's been like that. It's been really rough. A lot of on these nursing homes, families can't see their loved ones. So right now, my daughter's fiance's grandmother is okay. Isn't showing any signs of it. I don't know if she's been tested or not, but unfortunately, one of the residents did pass away from it yesterday. Of course, my prayers are for their family. And okay, so it is 5 o'clock in the morning, and I am tired. I'm going to bed. I will see you probably later on today, and if worse comes to worse, I'll upload today's video tomorrow morning. Keep coloring, keep healthy. I love you guys. Take care.